Apple MacBook Pro 15-inch, Touch Bar, 2.6 GHz 6-core Intel Core i7. Review deal discount unboxing setup. Apple hit it out of the park this year with the inclusion of the 6-core 8th Gen Intel processors. Speedier DDR4 memory and insane SSD speeds help, as this is one of the fastest Macs you can get, all in a nice portable size with a great screen. The discrete Radeon 560X graphics with 4GB helps with video editing and other tasks. Battery is better than last year's models as well. I originally purchased the 13 inches 2018 MacBook Pro with i5/512GB SSD/8GB LPDDR3, but quickly found that the screen size was not for me. It's a pound lighter and little smaller, but I don't find carrying the 15 inches to be bothersome. Apple has done a great job at getting the build quality of these MacBooks down. While the 13 inches was fast and fluid, the smaller screen size is what ultimately made me switch. Of course, the 15 inches feels snappier and smoother thanks to the 2 extra cores, faster DDR4 memory, and the discrete graphics. Both machines for 2018 are great upgrades over last year's model. I upgraded from a late 2013 15-inch MacBook Pro. The CPU on this is roughly about twice as fast, multi-core performance. This was strictly a business purchase for me. I develop mobile games for iOS and Android. The 6 cores go a long way when it comes to compiling, essentially cutting my compile times by at least half from the 2013 model. The keyboard and trackpad are very nice. Overall, the build quality is very good. It does get pretty hot under load. The hottest area seems to be directly above the touch bar. The SSD is also ridiculously fast, getting around 2,300 megabytes per second reads and writes. I've selected the 16 GB model to save a few bucks, and I don't regret it. I hardly ever go over 10 GB of use, even while having both Xcode and Unity open, among countless other applications. I wish the graphics card was faster, but it's a laptop. The CPU has a large watt draw while under load. Hitting the CPU hard while on battery will result less than 3 hours battery life. Look, I develop for iOS, so I have to have an Apple-based laptop. Would I purchase this laptop if I did not need it? No. But it's a great tool and has increased my productivity. On a side note, I use Better Touch tool to customize the touch bar, and it actually makes it useful. I also use Boost Switcher Pro to disable Turbo Boost while on battery power, which has increased my battery life by about an hour. I consider these 2 tools as a necessity. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.